May kwento lang po ako sa inyo. Ako po ay nagtataka lamang. Lagi po kaming nawawalan ng tubig sa gripo. Magrereklamo na nga po sana ako sa water district kasi po nagtataka ako, lagi naman po kaming bayad. Ito po, isang araw bumulaga sa akin. Nalaman ko po ang dahilan kung bakit kami ay nawawalan ng tubig. Panoorin niyo po ang video kong ito at inyo pong tapusin. At sa mga bago pa lang po sa aking channel at hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe at pakihit na rin po ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo at updated po kayo sa mga video na aking ina-upload.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning.
Sana po ay nagustuhan nyo ang video kong ito. At kung inyo pong nagustuhan at kayo po ay mahilig sa pusa, isang like naman po dyan. At doon sa mga bago pa lang po sa aking channel at hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe at pakihit na rin po ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo at updated po kayo sa mga video na aking ina-upload. Hanggang dito na lang po. Muli po ang inyong lingkod, The Hustlers TV. Thank you for watching. Keep safe and God bless.